Hello everyone, welcome to MK Graphics channel. In today's video, we are diving into a specific design technique, setting a vertical text in Adobe InDesign. It's a cool effect that can add a unique touch to your projects. So let's get started. To start, we will need a vertical line to set our text on. So I'm using here the line tool. Click and drag while holding the shift key to ensure a perfectly straight line. This will serve as a foundation for our vertical text effect. Now that we have our line, it's time to add the text. Under the Type tool, locate the Type on Path tool. Now click on the line we just created and type in your desired text. I will type here Leadership because I'm creating a Leadership Summit postcard. Now with the text selected, let's enhance its appearance. Begin by changing the font. I'm using here Courier Bold. And size to 36 points. Then navigate to Type, Type on Path, Options. Change the effect from rainbow to stair step and click OK. Now adjust the tracking. I'm setting here 200 for optimal spacing and set the alignment to Justify all lines. This will fix all the alignment issues and spread the text across the entire path. To fine-tune the text, set the stroke width to 0 or choose the color None to make the stroke invisible. Then use the Direct Selection tool to manipulate the text endpoints until you achieve the desired results. These steps allow you to customize the appearance and fit the text along the path. I think this is good. To complete the effect, add color to your text to make it visually appealing, like I am using here white color. And there you have it, a stylish vertical text design. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more design tips and tricks, and drop a comment below on what you would like to learn in the next video. Thank you for watching and don't miss out on my other fantastic tutorials.